Are there too many apps to select the best one for you? If so, this is for you. Konnichiwa. I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher with over 20 years of experience and studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we'll keep improving together. As an Applied Japanese linguist, here is my summary of major Japanese apps. Duolingo is good for tasting the Japanese language. It's free and gamification is fun. Pimsleur is for listeners. You learn by listening and are not allowed to take notes. Rosetta Stone is for visual learners. You learn by describing lots of images. Human Japanese is for readers. You start with hiragana, katakana, and read lots of text in English. Anki is for memorizing Japanese vocabulary. You use flashcards repetitively. Wanikani is for memorizing Japanese kanji. You follow the kanji list. If you've been using some of these apps, well done on your learning routine and your amazing work. What delays your learning? Do you want to learn effectively because you have a busy life? You should avoid 1. Multi-language apps. These are not suitable for learning Japanese effectively. All my students who mastered many languages after 1 year of self-study told me that learning Japanese was different. 2. Repetition without understanding. You're not a parrot. You want to be able to expand the usage in a variety of scenarios. 3. Learning expressions irrelevant to you. You don't need to say, I'm American, if you're British at a Japanese hotel speaking with a staff. 4. Having a conversation without a rehearsal. Learning Japanese is like learning karate. Just watching YouTube videos as your knowledge is not enough to be able to perform it at a match with another karate player. It's possible to speak French just by knowing some expressions without daily practice, but it's not the case in Japanese. 5. Watching interactions between avatars with digital voice. Japanese people totally value how you bow, and they are sensitive about your tone of voice. So a non-human conversation is not a good model for you. What accelerates your learning? If you want to improve your Japanese effectively, I'd suggest you to 1. Select an app designed for Japanese language by professional. Selecting an app designed by a professional Japanese teacher is a great start. Understanding Japanese mindset behind expressions is essential to accelerate your Japanese learning journey and speak like a native, culturally and socially. That's why I always say mind equal expressions. 2. Practice repetitively after clear understanding of expressions. Spaced repetition is important for keeping your memory, but this is only effective if you have a clear understanding of new expressions. 3. Practice in real-life settings. Children pick up a language by understanding a certain scenario and analyzing how it's described. Once you're in a useful setting for using new expressions, you naturally understand them and are motivated to express yourself. 4. Practice speaking daily without a partner before a conversation. Question and answer style conversation practice with new expressions will be helpful before speaking to a native Japanese speaker. It's like a rehearsal before a real conversation, so you'll be ready to talk with confidence. 5. Watch how native speakers interact. Japanese people value how you behave, especially appropriate body language. Also, copying native speakers' natural tone of voice helps your speaking. To go further, you need a tool to express yourself daily. You need a real conversation practice. Why Master Speaking Japanese is different? Master Speaking Japanese uses the same PowerPoint and materials I created for my university and private students, including executives over my 20 years of teaching experience. So 4 weeks from now, you'll be a much more confident Japanese speaker like all other academy students answered on my survey. And you'll be able to use Japanese naturally in many different settings. You'll enjoy a video-based learning. Basically, each lesson has introduction, practice, model conversation, and the conversation challenge with me. Each video is about 5 minutes, plus a quiz and an audio file of the model conversation. Just click a video a day, repeat after me, and answer to my questions. In this way, you can remember far better and more fluent, so it's perfect for a busy person like you. This professional English teacher struggled to speak Japanese for 20 years, but finally started speaking from the second lesson of the Master Speaking Japanese course. She actually said, "It's a confidence booster." What's the key for speaking Japanese confidently in 4 weeks through my method? And watch Build Your Solid Base in 4 weeks for each lesson structure and how you'll progress steadily. Are you ready to speak Japanese for real? Keep using your current app, but if you're serious about taking your Japanese to the next level, connecting with Japanese people, and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started today. Join live support sessions with me, or gift a month's Japanese course for your loved one. You can access it from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.